everyone. It's your girl again, Adjoyava, and this is
Louisa.
Phyllis.
And this is our corner here in Takrady. Yeah, so today I'm going to teach my kids, cousins, or my kids how to prepare spaghetti for a larger family. Yes, so that is what we are going to do. Without much we can talk about, let's dive straight into the video by me introducing our ingredients. Or Louisa, are you going to do the introduction for us? Okay, so Louisa is going to tell us the ingredients we are going to use for our spaghetti. Hi.
Please, I have spring onion, carrots, green pepper, cucumber, garlic, sausage, a little powder pepper,
Okay.
spaghetti, eggs, dark sauce, oil, spices.
These are your spices and your sardine. So guys, this is what we are going to use for our spaghetti. So we are going to start. Follow us and enjoy the video. Hello, so guys, we are in the kitchen and they are enjoying themselves. So let's get started. And then Louis, open the saucepan. Let me hold it. Yeah. Now you can put in some salt. Let me check your salt. Okay. Add another one to it. Take the stick and then stir it and check the one there. Add it. Oh. Add the oil. So Phyllis is adding a little oil to it. Add small. It's okay. Hey, happiness in the kitchen. You stay and check for my salt. Check if the salt is okay. Give me some and let me check. No, I can't feel it. Give me another one. No, add some salt to it again. So we are adding salt to it. I'm going to help them with the stirring. Bring your spaghetti. Because our water is hot. So yes, they are coming to pour in the spaghetti. No, just pour it in. Yeah, I have to help them by breaking it into pieces. If not, they will scatter my kitchen for me. We'll allow it to cook and then we stir intermittently. So we'll cover it for me. Go. Ajay. Happiness in the kitchen. Gonna be with you. Oh, Go. Gaga. Our spaghetti is on fire and we are giving some freestyle, you know? Hey, I always want to be joyful in my kitchen. So I'm teaching them to be joyful whenever they are cooking. Oh. Yay! Yeah. So she's checking if our spaghetti is ready. Check it if it's ready. No, hold one and then sure. So hold it. Check if it's ready. It's ready now. Okay. Let me also check. Okay, so our spaghetti is ready. We are going to off and lift it from the fire. So she's going to pour the oil into it. Okay. So this is the oil we are going to use. Second, if a sausage number. So she'll fry her sausages. Take your time so that you don't hurt yourself. Come and stir it. Yeah, so guys, our sausages are cool. Let me help you. We are going to remove it from our pan. Yeah, be careful. So we have our 8 eggs here. Fast salt kakra baby muna fast spoon right. So add a little amount of salt to it. Figum. So stir it. This is 8 eggs. We are stirring it and then we pour it into our oil. So we are going to pour it into our oil. So now we are stirring our eggs. Okay. So we're in our pan now. Just say we are don't say yeah, so at this point we are going to add some garlic to it. And then give it a stir. Our onion vinegar. So now so add onions to it. Take your time so that you don't pour it all. Let it go inside. Oh. Yeah, all the onions. Let me help you. Pour all the onions into it. We are preparing a large pot of spaghetti, so hence a lot of onions. Yes. So give it a stir. So guys, we add our carrot and green pepper. That's what we are doing now. It's okay. So we give it a stir. We want our vegetables crunchy, so we will not overcook it. Yeah. At this point, bring the pepper. So we are adding our pepper to it, everything, so that you don't waste time. So we are going to stir it. Because of how stiff the spaghetti is, I'm going to pour the sardine oil into it so that it will loosen it up. Then we continue. So you can see that it is getting loosed up. I have taken over because I have to come in and help. But I hope you are learning. Louis and Phyllis, I hope you are learning. Yes. So we are adding our spice into it at this point. Oh. Give it a stir. Cooking a large pot of food is not easy. Give me the soy sauce or the dark sauce. So we'll pour in our dark sauce at this time. A little dark sauce just to give it that color. So this is okay. This is an imported recipe. We're going to add our sausages and our sardines. And then we'll add our sardines to it.
Let me see. Oh, let me see.
Mix it.
Down.
So you mix it with it. Wow, it's more easy. Cooking for a large number. So our spring onion will be the last thing and then we will be done. As for the cucumber, we'll put it on it because it's very soft. So we wouldn't even cook it. We'll just put it on the side and enjoy. So bring me the spring onions. Our macaroni is ready. So we add in our spring onions and then we are done. we are going to off our gas or our fire, and then this will be it. So guys, this is it. Simple but very nice recipe. This is one pot spaghetti. Yeah, so that is it for our main. Yeah, so guys, this is very simple to make, but easy, sir, you see, because it was 2 spaghetti, but we managed to find our way. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? Yeah, so let's start tearing it from the pot. Yeah, so now we are going to put it in our ice trays.
Where the final?
The friend is saying
Down flat spaghetti.
down flat spaghetti. Hey.
Down up spaghetti.
Yeah. So guys, this is the final product of what we did. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and help me grow, so that I will also help you by delivering more recipes. Once again, this is Yabe's Corner, and we'll meet again in my next video.
Bye bye.